English has become an international language all over the world. Because half of world's population speaks English, the knowledge of English language is a bridge to the world nowadays. English is everywhere in our lives too.
We have been friends since kindergarten. There we started learning English. Our first rhyme was about a cat.
I have a cat. My cat is fat. I like my cat. It's my pet.
Today we are studying in Form 12, and we are graduating our wonderful school this year. We have been learning English for 12 years and we passed the state exam in March. However, our story of mastering English is not completed with that, because we feel English is connected with our successful future.
In addition to studies at school, we can meet foreigners who speak English and practice communication.
My name is Pishi from Thailand.
Okay, I'm Dorothea and I'm from Germany. And yeah, we are making like exchange here. Just 1 year living in Latvia.
Yes, of course, I like Daugavpils.
This historical building is the Daugavpils University, where we plan to continue our education. There is an exclusive and probably the only club in Latvia for students who would like to communicate in English, encounter British culture, British English, and British traditions.
We feel that English is especially useful for us because we do sports and visit different countries. Because English is so popular worldwide, we are sure that people will understand us.
Knowledge of languages is a doorway to success.